Rounding off segments. Welcome to the TimeTailer with Fast Track Video Training Series. These videos will provide a greater understanding of how to set up, configure, and execute time reduction tasks. In this episode, we will review the Fast Track and TimeTailer rounding off technique for removing extraneous frames to simplify timing sheets and eliminate inaccuracies. We have a previously produced program here to perform this task. Select the Edit page from the TimeTailer status window. Here we see 7 commercial breaks. Copy the insert times or the amount of reduction for each segment into the corresponding reduction time buffer. We need these numbers in the edit buffer so we may adjust the reduction duration to assure each segment ends on a full second without extra frames. When you are rounding off a job, you must put an entry in the edit page for the source out time in the last buffer. When rounding off numbers, the time machine requires this entry from the Fast Track to evenly and accurately execute frame reduction over all segments. Click Done when finished and F2 to place them on the timeline. Re-enter the edit page to begin frame rounding. When we look at the recorder out time on the first segment, we see 1 hour, 12 minutes, 0 seconds, and 25 frames. This first segment has a reduction value of 7 seconds, 28 frames. We can take 5 less frames of record in order to make that record come out to 12 minutes, 1 second, and no frames. We can simply change the reduction number to 7 seconds, 23 frames. Less reduction means more content time, and as you adjust each one of these buffers, you must place them on the timeline one at a time. This segment now shows 1 hour, 12 minutes, 1 second, and no frames. Now the second segment in the edit buffer shows 9 seconds, 25 frames of reduction time. Its out time as it stands right now is 29 minutes, 42 seconds, and 19 frames. We will take 1 less frame of reduction by changing the reduction number to 9 seconds, 24 frames. Select Done and place on the timeline to see the new out at 29 minutes, 43 seconds, and no frames. After completing each segment, select Start Now to rerun the TimeTailer reduction. For more information about the TimeTailer, or if you have any questions regarding this episode of the TimeTailer Video Training Series, please visit our website or contact Prime Image Tech Support using the contact page of our website.